Advisory Council. Draw the next 5 community cards and keep them hidden from opponent. Place 1 in Loyalist, place the remaining cards back on top of the community deck in any order. So this is a very interesting card, especially if you're playing with events, because then you can control which ones come out next. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right, so what do we have? 8, 9, -1, 11, and 6. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take this 11 because I can take one of them. And let's see. And then we can also take a look about what movements there are on the board. So yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't want to give them that because they could take my 11. This is not too good for anybody, so I'll put that in there. And let's see, plus. Yep. All right, let's go with that order. Right. So then, now that that's done, I would have my end of turn, and that's that.